Yeah.
All right, we got a couple more here. All right. David writes, is the Yamaha really fit? Is the Yamaha fix really helping the fuel tank level?
Yes. I've got some experience here. I've just done a couple of really long ocean rides. So the buzzer used to go off at like having just consumed a third of the tank. It's now not designed to go off until 30 liters. I'll have to look up what that is in gallons, but that's basically the bottom third. So once you get to the bottom third, the fuel buzzer goes off. Annoyingly with the Yamaha FX, and this is because they're all super safety cautious, you have to come to a stop to hit the buzzer to reset it. And that buzzer just goes on and on and on. Now, I'm not recommending this, but some riders do disconnect the buzzer. The problem with that is you don't then get the warnings for other things. You'll get a visual warning on the dash. So it is something I think Yamaha has improved. There's still probably room for improvement. The best fix on this new dash, and I haven't experienced it myself, but I've seen others who are happy with it. Finally now, the fuel used reset, not the fuel gauge, but the actual liters you've consumed, no longer resets when you shut off, which means if you're on a long day ride and you just shut off because you want to talk nonsense on the water for a bit, then you start back up. Well, previously it would reset. And I remember being caught out going, there's no way I've only used 10 liters. This is ridiculous. That was 2 years ago. But yeah, so that has been fixed. The key thing to remember is to reset your fuel reset every time you top up. That way you know exactly how much fuel you've used. So even if the thing is blaring the alarm at you, if you know if you can see you've only used half the tank or 2/3 of the tank and you're not far from your boat ramp, then you don't need to be too alarmed, pardon the pun. So yeah, Yamaha has addressed these concerns, but the buzzer still goes off earlier than it does in other skis, in my experience.
Okay. And to your 30 liters comes out to 8 gallons of gas.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.